Hello there guys, today is Wednesday the 11th of March, 1:20 in the afternoon, and today we're in Vilamoura. And we always get asked lots of questions, what's the weather like in March in Vilamoura? But let's go see for yourself, come check it out. Camera on guys, we'll start off at the Tivoli Marina end and have a walk right the way around to Murphy's Bar on the other side. Right over there. Not too sure how busy it will be, but it is Cheltenham Festival week, and I do know a lot of people do fly out over here and go to places like Albufeira and Vilamoura for the Cheltenham Festival, so they can watch on the big screens in the pub. First place we come to is the 19th hole. Serves English breakfast all day. There's nice steaks in there as well. You alright, mate? You okay, guys? We have live entertainment on the mic. You okay? You alright, ladies? You okay? Alright, yeah, so they do serve nice food in there. Not just English food, serve Portuguese food as well, and that's pretty busy all year round. Next up we've got the Thai Chinese. I just walked past this before and there was a few people in. But there's two Chinese quite near each other. I've never eaten in any of them. But let us know in the comments guys if you've had, let us know what it's like. And all the times I've come to Vilamoura and walked around the marina, I've not realised there's so many little shops. Play toys for the kids there, little knick-knack shops. Never really noticed them because I'm either looking at the restaurants or the marina. What a beautiful view that is. Now this little Italian place here, this is always busy. I just walked past it before. And I think they've got a special dish of the day, €12. Risotto, pear and gorgonzola. You okay guys?
Good.
Got Pizza Hut that's open. Glad to say I've never eaten in there yet. Probably never will either. Got a couple of little Vindians, which we have eaten in many years ago. Gandhi's Palace. And the next one is a Mughlai Indian restaurant. A bit of a pretty quiet spot. It should get busy as we go around. I'd like to give a shout out to some of our viewers that visit Vilamoura quite regular. We've got Sarah, Mark and Abby Wright, who come every September and stay in the Domes Lake Hotel, which is just at the back of Murphy's Bar, the other end of the marina. We've got David Martins, Pete Collinson, Shirley Miller, Stephen Bannister, Mario Fastino, Andrew Garbutt, King Staff, and we've got Brian, who goes by the name of Skinhead on YouTube. So big shout out to them guys. Forza Portuguese sports shops, selling all your memorabilia, mainly your CR7 shirts. The Old Navy restaurant, I haven't been in that one either. The Häagen-Dazs ice cream parlour. Oh, actually, no, you can eat by the riverside as well. Or the marina, I should say. Don't know where we got the riverside from. And here, we got what used to be Seti Figos. I'll have to scan that QR code in a bit and see what's coming. The Whale Gastro Pub, that's what it says. I'll scan that in a bit, see if it gives me any more information. It's such a shame that the Figo went. We actually did a food review on there. I think we had cataplans. It was excellent value for money. I can hear the work going on just beyond that fence in there. So I would imagine it'll be open for this summer. The Mayflower restaurant, that looks like that's undergoing some construction work or repainting or something. These two bars here on my left, these are all pretty busy. Yeah, I've actually done a food review here. You do happy hour till 7:30. Gordon's Gin, $6.50. You also do very reasonable priced food, and you do special dishes of the day. I think they're €8 or start from €8. Oh, there we go. It's gone up a bit. Dishes of the day: chicken piri piri, fish and chips, spaghetti bolognese, meat lasagna, omelette, cheese, ham, grilled sardines, €13. Grilled sea bass, $14.50. That's not too bad. Okay, got mojitos, €6. Yeah, it's always pretty busy, whatever time of year you come here. And the next one does 2-for-1 cocktails. I'm not too sure what this one is called. It's called Bloom. Well, they do bitock steak, 14, sardines, $12.50. Hamburgers with cheese, $13.95. Roballo, $12.95. That's a bargain. Ula grillada, €20. And then they do monkfish kebab, espetada tambril, $19.95. Well, it's a really lovely day, guys. You can get cheap flights over this weekend, because I do believe, is it St. Pat's Night on Saturday and then Mother's Day on Sunday? So you can grab a cheap flight, get yourselves over. Got the Irish bar up there. That has live music on most evenings. Got the Italian. Not sorry, Italian. There are people down on the terrace there. It's really pleasant anyway this time of year. Not too crowded. Drop a message in the comments below, guys, if you like it out of season and it's nice and quiet, very relaxed like it is here. Would you like it crazy in July and August? There's hordes of people here and you struggle to get in some of the restaurants. Well, that's a nice one. What's this one? Amorini. It's another Italian. That looks very nice. Oh, it's Luna Rossa. You okay, my friend? Omelette, $7.50. Burgers, $15. Salads, $12. Lampada, it's supposed to be a nice restaurant, that. I'll have to check it out. Once again, guys, if you've been in there, drop us a message in the comments. Let us know what it's like. You
How
okay?
are you today?
I'm fine, are you?
Say hi to the vlog.
I will do, mate.
You
Yeah.
alright?
Okay.
Yeah, I've been alright.
Good,
How are you
that's good.
today?
Yeah, you been busy or
Yeah,
ticking over?
It's alright, I guess.
Yeah, now you got the weather now, haven't you? So
Yeah, now the weather's starting to
good.
get better.
Yeah.
It gets okay.
this week should pick up with
Yeah.
it being Mother's Day and St. Pat's Night on Saturday.
Shout out
Yep,
to the
and-
Lamparo, okay?
I will do. And Cheltenham Festival as well. You get lots of people coming over for the
Yeah,
horse
of
racing,
course.
yeah? Okay, mate. Recommend it. Okay?
Thank you.
Cheers, mate. Bye. Yes, I'm not actually eating there, but I have heard lots of good reviews about it. I mean, there's so many restaurants we want to check out. There's just not enough days in the week. So most of these small ones are closed. Steakhouse, bar lounge and cocktail. Oh, Mariska, a little Portuguese restaurant there. Let's check the prices out here. Here we go. Nice when you've got a few quid in it. There we go, lunch 12.03. Prawn salad 15. Risotto Camero. Risotto prawn 17. That's prawn risotto. Seafood linguine 17. Got sardines. Fillet of fish, €10. Excellent value for money. Well, I thought this end would have been a lot more busier. This is quieter than where we first started off. Now this restaurant here, Haven, is an absolute gem. It's quite a weird one, it doesn't open till 3 o'clock, even in the peak season. Highly recommend it, guys. If you want to check the food out there, check our library out. We have got a video on it. We've got the brewery. I've actually had a drink in there. I may end a little walking tour there and try the Guinness out. That's normally pretty busy all year round, and they do have live music on most nights of the week. In fact, one of the singers there is called Steve. He's one of our followers. I think he sings on a Sunday evening.
I genuinely think.
A nice little coffee shop there. Smells lovely. Vanilla iced latte, $3.90. Smells beautiful, that. Yeah, the Mexican's closed. Let's check the news out, see if this is open. Doesn't look like it. Oh no, it is. Yeah, that was the Mexican at the Patrons Lounge. This is the news here. Another one I can highly recommend. Slightly more expensive than the others, but the food in there is absolutely amazing. Like I say, if you want to check the food out, guys, we have done a review on it. So check our library out and have a look at the food. You also can sit inside. But I've never done that yet. I'm always going on the terrace. Now there we go, we've got the bars playing the horse racing. Now it's actually illegal to gamble other than a casino in here. So I would imagine some of the sports bars might have a sweepstake on. So that was the hole in one. Next door we've got O'Neill's. These have probably got their horse racing on as well. Got a nice big screen there. And what we got here for €10? Oh, I just missed that. Let's check it out. Live music tonight at 9:30. Got karaoke. I just missed something for €10. Yeah, just hang on one more sec so you can see it. Music on a Sunday, got ABBA tribute band. No, it's not come up, I don't know what it was for €10. I do like to post a bargain. Fair few on the terrace. There they go, they have got the racing on. Tobacco shops always on. Next up we've got Aquavit. Only had a drink in there, but again had great recommendations to try the food in there. It's supposed to be excellent. I think it's Swedish owned, so there's a little bit of a Swedish twist to the food. Then at the end we've got Murphy Sports Bar, which underwent major construction last year. I'm sure they'll have the big screens on with the flares. They've got the racing on, so football and racing. It does normally have a large outside screen, but that's been taken down. And here we've got all the boat tours in the Gilles Caves. You can charter a yacht as well. And there is a beautiful view of the marina. Hope you've enjoyed this little walk-in tour of Vilamoura in March. If you have, hit the like button, guys. And if you're still with us and you're not yet a subscriber, then smash that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.